In this video, you will learn about smoke testing. The smoke testing is also called as build verification testing. To start any type of testing, whether it's regression or system testing, the smoke testing is performed first. It is performed when the QA team receives the software build from development team for testing. Now, what exactly is software build? The software build is an executable application by compiling the source code. There are different tools available in the market to create a build from the application code. The build is basically a piece of software or product which contains a set of features or bug fixes that need to be tested. Build is used internally for testers to test the code before actually releasing the code on production for actual customers. Smoke tests are executed to verify the stability of the build, whether the code given to testers for testing is stable or not. Means whether the basic functionality is working or not before proceeding further to test the other features in detail. Basically, whenever the development team generates a new build of code and provides that build to QA team, then you as a QA member performs smoke tests and validate that the code given in this build is stable. Then proceed further and perform other types of testing. Smoke testing is done by testers before accepting a build for further testing. So it is also called as build acceptance testing. Smoke tests can be performed either manually or through automation. The smoke tests are performed as a prerequisite to software testing, and it lets the QA team know if they can proceed with further testing or not. So it is performed universally on every new build, or we can say every time when new code is given to testers for testing. If any of the smoke tests fail, then the build is rejected by QA team and assigned back to development team for fix. By this, we can save a lot of time and find the bugs at earlier stage without much effort. Treat smoke testing as a normal checkup of a build of an application before applying full testing. It is a simple test that shows the product is ready for testing. This is basically a high level testing before going in depth. If we do not perform smoke testing, then the bugs will be found at later stage, which may impact a lot of features as well, and cost and time will also be increased. Examples of smoke testing, or we can say types of tests, need to be covered in smoke testing. Smoke testing includes the tests related to important and critical functionalities. Smoke tests are a very limited number of test cases, and it is performed with positive scenarios and with valid data. For example, for any e-commerce website, the smoke test would be that user is able to register to website and able to log in with the same credentials. Click on any product, description page should be opened. Click on add to cart, cart should be opened. Click on buy now, payment options should be displayed. Order is placed. User is able to click log out button and login page is displayed. For example, the developer has added the new feature in payment. Earlier, only cash on delivery was supported. Now, user can do payment using debit card or through net banking. Now, after adding that feature in the code, the developer generates the build and assigns to tester for its testing. The tester will perform the smoke test to check whether the basic functionality of placing order is working fine or not, or it is impacted due to new feature. So once this smoke test will pass, then the QA team will perform further testing on the features of debit card and net banking options for payment and also cover other negative scenarios. Thank you for watching. Stay connected for next videos and subscribe the channel.